After all these steps, till the segmentation, next step is the object recognition, which is the process that assign a label to an object based on its descriptors. Descriptor matter and users, which may conclude our coverage of the digital image processing with the development of the method for the recognition of the individual object. Next one is the representation. Recognition means in which each object is to be recognized at the particular location or particular axis so that it can be easily identified or recognized at the output end. So next step is the representation and the description. If we have any any image that is in the image is the combination of the number of the pixel, so each pixel form after the sampling and the quantization is to be done, so the quantization phase may exactly cover all the covered area and assign and link all the points and then form a object that is to be represented. So the representation and the description both always follow the output of a segmentation stage. The main output is the raw pixel data, in which we have the number of pixels which may constitute either the boundary of a region or simply a region itself. Boundary of the region means the set of the pixels separating one image region from the another, that are the boundaries. These are the boundaries of a region or the region itself, in between the region itself. So in either case, converting the data to a form suitable for the computer processing is necessary. Which method is to be followed? The first decision that must be made is whether the data should be represented as a boundary or as a complete region. कंप्लीट एरिया कवर करना है जहाँ बाउंड्रीज कवर करनी है, which depend upon the representation and the description. So the representation is done with two types. First one is the boundary representation and second one is the regional representation. In boundary, it is appropriate when the focus is on the external shape characteristics such as corners or the edges. So next one is the regional representation, which is appropriate when the focus is on the internal properties such as texture or the skeletal shape, etc. A method must also be specified for describing the data so that the interests are highlighted. Clear? Next is what is description, how it can be easily identify the data. So description are also called the feature selection, which may deals with extracting the attributes. Attributes means जो contrast brightness की बात हम करते हैं, that or are the attribute that result in some quantitative information of interest and or are basic for differentiating one class of object from the another. This may describe all the description about the object. So next step is the image compression. Image compression, we all know that what is the compression means: reducing the size of an object, reducing the storage required to save an object, or to reduce the bandwidth required to transmit it. So bandwidth means to reduce the number of pixels per unit time. Some form of image file extension such as JPG is used in the JPEG, Joint Photography Expert Group image compression standards. Some of the image compression standards are to be used. One of the example is JPG, JPEG. Next is the color image processing step, which is the area that is most important and gaining more importance these days because of the significant increase in the digital devices these days over the internet. So colored images, for example the MRI जो अल्ट्रासोनिक करवाते हैं, जो एक्सरेज करवाते हैं, तो उसमें क्या है, अगर कलर्ड इमेज में हम उसे फॉर्म करते हैं then it is very easy or it is very crucial or beneficial to identify all the issues related to that problem. Last one is the wavelet, that are the foundation for representing the images in the various degree of resolution. What is the resolution? The number of pixels in each image. So this is one of the example of the digital image where there is a picture which is represented digitally. Here are some number of the values: 146, 161, 165. All these values are the pixel values. Pixel values are also known as the intensity or the gray level value. If we consider the gray level value or the intensity value or the pixel value or the number of elements, then the name is same. The gray level is same, is equal to the number of pixel or the pixel value or the intensity value. So here are the gray level value or the intensity values. Here indicate 139. 139 वैल्यू इज, अगर ये वैल्यू हम पिक्सल वैल्यू चेंज करते हैं, देन इफेक्ट इज शोन हेयर. सो दिस इज द सिंपल एग्जांपल ऑफ 2D array or 2 dimension matrix of a digital image.